Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Scherrer or Scherrer. Scherrer, House of Scherrer perfume, and this is immense pour homme et de la toilette. This is says made in France, but I think Jean-Louis Scherrer is I think it's a Spanish designer house. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sure some of you will know better than me. I think they are Spanish design house, I think. Anyway, so they have quite a few fragrances in their lineup, in their portfolio, and I never ever had any fragrance from them, either ladies or men, so I was very curious. I heard good things about this house before, and when I saw this for a good price, I had to get it. This one, Immense Pour Homme et de la Toilette, 100 ml. You can find it in United Kingdom under £30. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. It's only a small movement of your finger, but for me it means a lot. It means you are validating my effort here. You are encouraging me or motivating me to make videos like this in future, to bring you fragrances that nobody else talk about like this to your attention. Thank you very much for your help, and let's go. So white bottle. This one is quite dirty because I think it must have been sitting in the warehouse for a while, but I don't mind that because the older the better. And the bottle design is very futuristic. It's like a skyscraper, basically. Very unusual design, but it's quite nice. I like it. Very tall bottle. It feels and looks much bigger than 100 ml, but it's not. So it's got this design to it, which is a little bit on the unusual side, but it's okay. I like it. The cap is plastic and the atomizer is modern. Here we go. So let's see how is the atomizer. The atomizer is good atomizer. Okay, so House of Jean-Louis Scherrer, and this is Pour Homme et de la Toilette, immense Pour Homme. And this one, I'm not sure where it came out, probably a few years. So let's see how is the first impression. Here we go. Ooh, big citrus. So first thing hits me is the citrus, and it's very fresh. It's very inviting. It's very uplifting. fresh. Even more citrus and cinnamon. Definitely bergamot. Definitely lemon. I'm getting a little bit of grapefruit as well. Orange blossom, something a little bit orangey as well. Maybe there's an orange in here as well, but what a beauty. Opens very inviting, very fresh, very uplifting, very happy, super happy and super fresh. Hint of spice to it, but not much. Just a hint of spice to giving it a little bit of interesting facet, but just tiny bit, just a sprinkle. A little bit fizzy. It's like a sparkly fizzy champagne right now. It's a little bit green, a little bit leafy, a little bit grassy, a little bit woody, a little bit watery aspect as well. I'm feeling something watery, but this is a fresh water. It's not oceanic, it's not sea salty or anything like that, but it's mainly river or a lake, fresh water, wateriness to it. Definitely on the classical side, definitely on the mature side, definitely on the uh, old school perfumery, which I love. This is up my alley. I'm a middle-aged man and I love these things. It reminds me of some of the 70s and 80s perfumes or fragrances. Don't ask me which one, because this is like it's just from that era. Okay, it's not specifically one fragrance, but it is very gentlemanly. It is quite on the relaxing side of things as well. Yeah, definitely it's more muskiness, little bit of woodiness, cedar, sandalwood, most likely, because it's very, very smooth right now. It's super smooth. It's almost buttery smooth. So very, very smooth. And I'm feeling something like vanilla in the base, but vanilla here is not a typical vanilla. It's not a modern vanilla. It's a classic vanilla, which giving it that smoothness rather than sweetness. So a little bit of that as well. Almost giving me a barbershop feel, almost not 100% barbershop, but a little bit on the barbershop as well. But definitely opens up very fresh, refreshing, inviting, happy citrus. This is a citrus bomb in the beginning, a hint of spice. The spice here smells like clove to me, but I'm not sure. It could be something else. It's about fizzy, so it looks like it's got some sort of pepper in here. In the mid, we are having some florals, especially white florals, maybe orange blossom in here as well. Yeah, and it smells green, it smells grassy, it smells leafy, it smells tiny bit of earthiness, not much, just a hint of it. So overall, this is well done, very well constructed, and the perfumery is very well done. The ingredients are very smelling very natural to me, which is crazy for this amount. On the £30, this is an amazing. If you like your classics, if you like your classy scent, if you like a little bit on the barbershop, a little bit fresh, a little bit manliness, this is very, very well done for the price. This is very good. There are two versions of this one. This is Eau de Toilette, there is Eau de Parfum. So we have to wait and see to see how is the performance, because if the performance is anything good, we have a bang on our hand. Definitely, I'll give it 2 thumbs up. The smell is exquisite. Yeah, definitely woody backbone as well. I think this one came maybe early 2000 or something like that. It's been around for a while. But what a smell, and what a beauty, and what a good perfumery in here, and good ingredients as well. Okay, guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be good for others to read. Very useful. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this, to bring you unknown and underrated fragrance like this in future. Your help will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own perfumes with these hands, so they are true handmade. At the moment, I'm experimenting on another one, and I have 17 right now, 17 in my lineup. They're called Scent of Persia. The reason they're called Scent of Persia, because the ingredients come from my country, Iran, Persia, and nobody else using these ingredients, because my country is under sanction. They can't sell it to anybody anyway, but they make a small amount, and it's not enough to sell it to the mass market. So I am making something very unique, very artistic, very intriguing, very mysterious fragrances. They are ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, but you need to live in that kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.